Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to order on Talabat. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Talabat app on your Android or your iPhone. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign in using your account credentials. And once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the app's home screen, which you have in here. So before browsing restaurants or stores, Talabat needs to know where your order should be delivered. So you can tap your current delivery address at the top of the screen, which is there. If this is your first order, just go ahead and tap add address and search for your address or drop a pin on the map. Enter any additional details such as building, house number, or whatever they ask you to provide, and ensure that the address is saved. I already have my address entered here. So now it's time. So I click on this drop down. So that is pretty much my apartment. If you want to change it, you can just go ahead and click on add address to change. Now it's time to find something you like to order. So from the home screen, just let's say I want to order for food, and I just go ahead and tap on food, and I select the exact food I want. Go ahead and shop, do whatever you want to do. You can use filters to even narrow your results. And once you have found the restaurant you like, you can tap on its name. It shows you what they have, like this Asum Burger. So browse through the available categories and items. I'm sorry about the blackout. Phone's time out. So browse through the available categories and items and just go ahead and click on whatever you would like to order. So if the item offers customization options, you may be able to choose the size, select flavors, add toppings or extras, remove ingredients, adjust the quality. But after making your selections, just what do you want me to buy again? Okay, actually want to buy just one. So regular beef. So click on add item and it says a new order will clear your carts with batch. So click on start. And here I click on view cart. It takes me here. I click on checkout and it takes me right into the checkout page. So in the checkout page, if you have a discount code, it's important that you add the discount code. That's if it allows you to add a discount code. All right. So just go over here, delivery. If you want to change your delivery address, you can click on change to change your delivery address. You have delivery instructions, call on arrival, don't ring bell, ring doorbell. You can use any of the instructions there. You can add a new card if you don't want to pay with cash. So click on add a new card and add a new card now and click on pay now. So here you have the payment summary, everything that you want. Just go ahead and click on order. I'm going to go all the way back. You see that this one actually doesn't really provide an option for you to add. So it doesn't actually provide an option for you to add a discount code. Okay, because some of them you can actually add a discount code, but this is already discounted for you. I guess that's pretty much why. So once you're done, click on checkout, place order to place your order. That's pretty much how you can place an order on Talabat. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.